Teka, sino nga? Tank atay. Go party healer. Fallen, Druid Cowl, and yeah, be a dodge roll. Everybody's in dodge roll. I trust that everybody's in dodge roll, okay? Okay, that is good. Okay, I'm gonna start. Rotate your knight helmets. Don't forget to rotate your knight helmets or Ash, ikaw na bahala sa guard rune nyo. Ayoko. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start. Okay, food up sa mga hindi pa nag-food up. Gagamitin yung knight helmet. Pansin niyo yung may dito? Like parang they're gonna knock back, the boss is gonna knock back. Oh, yung parang basta makikita mo yung charge na yun na pula. So, Urine's he can spam he can spam guard rune, so it's fine. If he can't cast the Night Helm. I'm gonna start the boss. 40, small damage. And don't damage yet, don't damage yet. Not yet. Okay, small damage first. Hindi naman na-aggro to, diba? Okay. Full damage, party. Beam my chill howl, please. Go beam. For my chill howl babies. Tay, dun ka sa sa DPS. Drop your jacket sa kanila and the druid cowl. Alternate it with Alua. Alua, dun ka sa gitna ng boss. So that you can easily alternate your
Naka-druid din ako, madam.
Yeah. Alternate druid and then royal jacket on my DPS. Dance now. For my corals.
Core rolls lang, oh
Putang
my
ina.
god.
Gumalaw,
Core
God.
rolls.
Why you move?
Who moved? Who moved? Oh no! Rina! Revive on Rina, please. Paki-revive si Rina. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine, party. Sige lang. Just stabilize.
Cheese.
Res on Rina, please. Res on
Boss
Rina.
cheese. Boss cheese. Pa-revive lang saglit. Ginamit ko yung boss Asher.
Paki-reawaken si Rina. Rina,
Wait lang, cooldown.
Okay, no dancing muna, no dancing. Press S. Defensive nga. Your name first. I mean, third. I don't want anyone to dance pag may patay. Okay. Are we all good? Okay. For my first dancers, ready na lang. Rina, drop BMS now, Rina. Corals, prepare to dance. Now, corals. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bakit may kulang? Sino yung kulang? I'm gonna leash the stacks. Just dodge party and stay in your position. Go back. Drop BMS, Rina. Corals now. Bakit hindi? Yo, Breg! Ano nangyari
Hindi
sa
ako gumalaw.
Forge? Corals, go north during dancing phase, okay? I mean, northwest.
Di ba dito na ako mag-dance pag hindi ako mabot?
Yeah. Dance now, corals. Dance now, corals. Breg, kasali ka. Ba't di ka sumasali?
Boss cheese yung hindi nagsumasayaw.
Hindi naaabot yung heal mo.
No, it's fine. Di naman ako kailangan ng heal pag magda-dance kayo. Dodge now. I need 5 people to dance. If hindi 5 yung sasayaw, it's still gonna fail. It's useless. Dodge party.
Chisu, hindi sumasayaw si Chisu.
Oo, hindi sumasayaw si Boss Cheese.
BMS now. Sayaw. Hey, where are you? Okay, I'm gonna leash the stacks. Dodge. Party. It's fine. Fine, it's fine, it's fine. Just dodge and go back to your positions. Dodge it. Corals, dun kayo sumayaw sa ano, sa southwest banda. Okay? Don't go sa wall. Just go southwest. Drop BMS, Rina. Dodge ice. Dance corals. Go. Okay. May nagkamali. Okay, dodge DPS. Fine. Do not stop moving until the laser goes to you. I mean, yung parang bola, papunta sa inyo, okay? Beam, frost, I mean, shell howl, beam. Don't stop your beams. Okay, northwest corals. Nice one.
Ang messy.
Nice, sige na lang. Pag di kayo umabot sa pinakadulo, it's fine to dodge towards the wall sa gitna. The middle of the... Feels on me? It's fine sa ano, sa gitna ng wall. Yung gitna banda, just dodge towards it. BMS Rina. Dodge now. I mean dodge, dance now. Heals on me. Heals on me. Okay. I'm gonna leash the stacks nga pala. Okay. During the next dancing phase, I need all my DPS, all party to dance, okay? Including me. Dodge, 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 dodge. Dance now, everybody.
Uy,
Wala akong dodge roll.
wala akong dodge roll cooldown.
Pull down yung dodge roll ko, it's fine. Okay, ready for the second dancing phase. All party to dance. Corals, go southwest. Di pa, kalma lang. Drop BMS now, Rina. Heals on me. Dance now. Corals.
Skill issues eh.
For my frost, can you, ano, spam your beams?
I am spamming.
Nagpalit ako ng wildfire, madam.
Bakit ka nag-wildfire? I told Chill how to be on beam.
You're not
Ay.
listening.
Boss,
Skill
issue.
Listening.
Boss,
No skill
boss
issue.
swap.
No skill issue.
the-
Dance now,
What?
party. Dance
What
now,
the?
party.
That's for boss swaps.
No, my bad, my
Oh,
bad.
no.
Ah,
Bakit na
Jisoo.
ganun yun? Why? What
Go.
happened?
Nakulong si Jisoo.
Oh my. Make it cleaner next time, party. It's fine. I'm gonna leash this. Leash stacks.
stop. My bad.
Ow.
Fine, it's fine.
Okay, I'll
Heals
change.
on yearning. Heals on yearning.
Cool downs.
Change.
Okay, masyadong madumi yung floor. Nobody dance. Press S now. First defensive, Rina. Defensives na, Rina. Nobody dance. Press S. Dodge lasers. One. Dodge second laser. Dodge third laser.
Wala na. Kala ko meron pa.
3 lasers na yun.
Or sino bang pumalo ng door? Tinatira ako ng gate. What the? Revive me.
Ay, si Alo.
Yeah, na-damage
Dodge
ako ng
strike.
gate eh.
Oh my god. Res on my main heal first. Res on my main heal first. Not DPS.
Cool down. 7 seconds.
Pwede mo ako revive pa. Kaya ko revive si Brent.
Jackets. Give jackets. Press S, party. Press S. Nobody move. Press S. Sustain me. Pahingin ng ano. Okay, res on me. Res on me first.
Ano?
Party healers, do not resurrect DPS. Unahin nyo ko and the corals, okay? Defensives nga. First defensive, Rina. Res on me. Use royal jackets if you
2
need.
healers is down. 2 healers down.
Main heal, go switch to revive now. Party, dodge it if you can. Main heal, hurry. Reawaken now.
Hindi
Tumakbo
pa,
ka muna.
ano pa ako. Wait.
Run towards Lishet and switch to reawaken.
In
Ay,
combat
labo.
siya, madam.
Ako muna
Yun nga
reawaken.
eh. Get aggro. Listen, party. Get aggro. Somebody. Let main heal go reawaken.
Going in.
Res on me first. Sustain me. Once cooldown. Once cooldown, unahin mo yung ano. Arcanes, give me
Oh
yung...
my god.
Okay,
Boss
Lishet.
breakdown.
Lishet. It's fine, JC, it's fine. Just Lishet. Okay, I really want to practice yung dancing so you guys make it clean. So, kita nyo na if madumi, it's like the lasers are gonna spread all throughout the floor. Get it? Okay. Never mind. Yearning, ikaw na lang ba? Ikaw na mag-call? I still can't get yung ano mo. That's why I can't do it. You do it. You make the calls. Stop muting. Your defensives. You're not gonna do the dancing. Yeah. No dancing na lang. Okay, everybody, for my defensives. See Yearning. Yearning's gonna call for the defensive, okay? I'm sorry guys, di ko pa kabisado yung duration part. The no dancing. What they use is assassin hood. But kaya ako nag-night home because I wanted to practice dancing with you guys. Okay? Which is, for me, is better because hindi na kailangan mag-dodge ng laser. But anyways, let's do the
Sige lang,
easy one.
practice na lang, dancing.
Sige lang, it's fine. Nasa kayo yung map location kasi natin eh. It's dangerous. I don't wanna keep on delaying it. So, Rina, just wait for Yearning's call. He's gonna do the defensives. He's gonna do the call for defensives. Okay, party. Again, chill hal, beam. Important. Okay. That's why I want chill hal to be on beam because it slows down the stack of the boss. Kaya importante, I really like basta may chill hal during construct. Okay, that's the purpose of it. Para malaman nyo. I'm gonna start the boss now. Yearning? Don't mute.
No.
Z, una ka na mag-kwan, Z-beam.
No dancing, okay, party? Just stay in your position.
Ikaw na.
Di abot.
Abot yan.
Diba ako? I'll focus on guard tuning you guys.
Nag-laser ka na?
Yep. Basta pag nag-cooldown yung laser mo, ikaw na mag-laser.
Press S,
First
guys. Press
defensive
S.
na.
Don't dance. Press S. Don't dance.
Second defensive now.
Oh my god, sorry. Sorry,
Fine,
Rina.
it's fine, it's fine. Diretso lang.
Okay.
Press S,
First
guys. No
defensive again.
dancing.
Shit, reconnecting.
Sorry, guys.
Sige lang, tuloy lang.
Skill issue, boss Asher.
Oo nga eh. Na.
Trey, mas mataas pa damage ni
Press
Asher
S, guys.
sa'yo.
Press
Huwag
First
ka
S.
na.
Press
mag-ano.
S. I'm gonna
Siyempre.
leash the stacks, Yearning, after this.
Okay. Second na.
Dodge 40 and just stay in your position. Press S, press S, press S. Do
First
not
now.
move.
Second na.
Press S, guys. Do not move.
First na. Second na.
Dodge.
Tangina, naka-chill haul ako.
Dodge laser. Check my RAM. Press S, party.
First
Press S.
na.
Do not move. Press S. Do not move.
Second na. Oh, may toggle dito.
What? Sorry?
No, may NGB. Double click.
Ano rin? Press S, party.
First na.
Press S. Do not move. Sorry, di na cooldown yung guard room ko. Ano,
You need
dodge
to
your
move
way
it.
in.
Okay. Second na. I thought you were gonna move it.
It's still 6 stacks. Nag-beam kasi
Oh,
yung
ang
server.
ina naglag.
Fine, fine.
Sabay na tayo ng cooldown, Z.
Yeah.
Dodge laser.
Ano ka na?
Press S, party.
First. Second na.
Dodge laser. Do not move,
First na.
party. Dodge laser.
Second na.
Dodge laser.
JC. You like to fly, ah?
First na.
Ah, my bad, Z, my bad.
It's okay. I can call it. Ikaw na cooldown na yung ano mo.
Second na.
Dodge laser.
Nag-cast. Nag-cast ako ng Q. Hindi
Press S,
naka-dodge
guys.
roll.
Press S.
First na.
I'm gonna leash the stacks. After
Second
the
na.
release. Right. Okay. Dodge 40.
Tangina. Tinapon.
Sarap.
Dodge party.
Dito.
Press S,
No.
press S. Press S party. Press S, press S. Do not move.
Second
Dodge
na.
laser. Dodge
Alo
laser.
Bandit na.
Gusto mong gawin ko.
Press S party.
Press
Do not
na.
move.
Second.
Dodge.
What the fuck?
Kill issues di.
Kasi.
Dodge laser.
Puta.
Do not move
Press
DPS.
na.
Press S, press S.
Ako.
So,
Second na.
Need to be careful after out daw. Why nyo?
Grabe,
Probably.
nasa
Wala.
inyo lahat ng ano ah.
Uy,
Press
may
S, guys.
nakapasok daw sa dungeon.
Press
May
na.
nakapasok daw sa dungeon.
Okay,
eh.
wait lang, kalma, tumahimik kayo. Nyok, nasa first gate ba, nasa gate ba sila? Are they trying to destroy the gate? Communicate, communicate.
Second na.
Hindi. Just in case lang.
Hello, second.
Revive on
Ayun,
your name, revive on your, revive.
I-revive
party
niyo muna
leader.
si Aloha. Para
Revive Aloha.
revive ulit.
Sorry, ano matay pala si Aloha?
Mhm.
Revive Aloha, please.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Oh,
Wala kasing loot bags dito na iniwan ko. Yung dalawa.
Press S
No.
party, do not move. Tay, may revive ka, Tay?
Ito na.
Okay.
Eh, give us heals.
Dodge party, dodge.
Yeah, just reset the stocks for now.
Oh, fuck it. Nga pala.
Dodge.
What do you mean na loot bags? Sinasabi mong loot bag. Dodge party, dodge.
Yung loot bags na hindi ko na-loot kanina, yung naiwan nyo.
Nasa ka sa gate, diba? You're behind the gate, diba?
Yes,
So, who
yes.
could have... Baka kinuha ng party. Press S, guys. Press
Press na.
S. Do not move. Press
Ah,
S.
wala
Do not
pala
move.
tayo first.
It's fine. Do not move.
Yung loot bags na nasa unang first na. Yung first
Paano mo
gate natin
makikita yung
First na.
How are you able to see it? Nasa ka, diba? Behind the gate?
Alo. Pa-revive ako.
Yeah, cooldown.
Resin,
Ay, iiwan ko yung dalawang bags dun. Iiwan ko.
Apat lang?
Ay, hindi ko
Fine.
pinansin
Just-
yung others.
Bantayan mo yung gate. As long as nobody's
Yes.
destroying the gate, it's fine. Okay? Hindi mo na muna i-mine yung loot bags. Press S
First na.
party. Press S party, do not move. Dodge. Dodge second laser.
Second na.
Dodge third laser.
Stock.
Dodge first laser.
Putang ina, baboy.
Dodge second laser. Dodge third laser. Okay, I'm gonna leash the
Dancing face.
Oh, press S, guys.
Press
Press
first
S.
na.
Press S, press S, press S.
Mahinang signal. Mahina.
Dodge second laser. Dodge third laser.
Mahina ang signal mo. nakasisip.
Dodge first. Second laser, dodge it. Dodge third laser.
Oo.
Press S,
First
party,
na.
do not move. Dodge second laser, party.
Second na.
Dodge third laser.
Okay lang yan, Boss Asher. Magkasama naman tayo.
Lagi second DPS si Asher. Ikaw, Gray. Bottom ka pa rin.
Third
Okay
ako.
lang. Hindi man ako nakikipag-kompetensya sa kanila.
Dodge first laser. Second laser. Ready for third laser.
Oops.
Press S, party, do
First
not
na.
move. Ready for
Second na.
lasers, dodge it. Second laser. Third laser.
$40K.
Ang daming heal nun ah.
Alaga eh.
Dodge second laser. Dodge third laser. Press S, party, do not move. Press
First na.
S. Dodge first laser. Second laser. Third laser.
Second na.
Kill it. First laser. Second. Third.
Ina mo, gago ka. Tangina.
Ay,
Uy,
masakit.
grabe naman yun.
Sorry guys, I swear yung construct talaga pinakaayaw ko na boss.
That's actually
David.
recorded ah. Nice
I
one.
really don't like it. I really don't like this boss.
You have new soundboard.
Mm.
JC, go JC.
JC, work your wonders.
Oh!
24M.
Thank you, JC.
Tangina.
Oh my god, this is bad.
Bakit?
7.6
Kat?
na kuha mo, Rina.
Bakit?
Scout,
7.6?
careful, do not aggro any mobs because we're still gonna kill the last boss. So, slowly walk your way in, do not aggro mobs, okay? Tell us if you aggro with enemy.
Tayo ni Rina eh.
Wala na bang
Sep-
gate dyan?
You know?
Wala nang gate dyan?
What do you
May
mean?
gate pa ba? Gate.
We're gonna break
Wala
the
na
gate after the construct.
Ah, okay.
Tayo ni Rina. Ibang guild yun ah.
After you're done party, go break gate. Yeah.
Guild Island fee.
Guild Island.
Scout, you can, if you want to loot the, ano.
Ay,
Careful,
takina ba't
do
ako
not aggro
naka-Q3?
enemy, okay?
Bobo.
Sige lang guys, I'm gonna practice construct better next time.
No, it's okay, madam. We understand it.
This is not me.
Wow.
It's not you. Wake
not
up.
This is not-
Wake up. Come on, come on.
This is not you,
This is all
madam.
just a bad dream. So, blame DPS. Sorry na.
Sorry na, wala pang attunement.
Something.
Boss Asher, Boss Riso. Yung
Bakit?
yung NB Forever nag-DM sa akin.
What happened?
Ang sabi,
Ewan ko, sabi niya
Hindi. Alam ko na yan.
parang mag ano to, gusto makipag-alliance.
Ay, may another alliance.
Hindi agad, hindi.
Full debuff on this. Bakit ako naka-incubus pa ako? What the
Sabi
hell?
niya, how about joining us play together?
We are playing together, sabi mo sana, boss. As enemies.
Yeah.
And be ally daw. Sabihin ko na, it's not my position to decide that.
Hey, position! What position?
Everybody be on your correct passives and your boots, skills, shoes, and whatever.
Tagawin lang tayo Mitchell dun sa CTA.
Sila
Lahat tayo
gagawin.
dun, Mitchell.
Sila gagawin kong Mitchell.
Pwede rin naman kung gusto niya. Tapos mag-loot na lang tayo sa kanila.
Mangrat lang tayo.
Link
Oo,
the,
ba't na-
yung malayo. Silence in the middle arena.
Hindi na air compress.
No, di na air compress yan. It's fine. Usually malayo talaga yung ano. It's fine, just link them. I'll
Ay,
stand full
gagi,
damage in the back.
nakatouch.
Patayin nyo
Nakadodge
muna
roll
yung
ako.
konti na lang yung bahay. Ay, buhay, bahay.
Oh,
Bahay.
sige. Caught in 4K.
Kili. I'll stand
Grabe
kili.
si Madam.
Okay.
Anak mo.
Dalawa na agad bago nating soundboard, guys.
Anak ng bahay.
Gago.
Okay yun.
Ayaw. Ah, okay, this one. Your name? Alam mo na? Wait lang, let me
Third
do
food.
it. Nag-food
Hindi
ako
pala
kanina sa boss.
Second food pa lang pala to, Nyak.
Go lang.
Ah! Mali! GA na. I'm gonna stand. Full damage on the buff. Press silence. Silence now.
Okay.
Press mo nga lang, boss. Wag mo ilapag.
Dodge it.
Ay, gago!
Yeah, di nga bumalik agad eh. Na-silence ba lahat? Not
No.
covered?
Hindi.
Oy, Alicia party.
Hindi.
What do you mean di bumalik agad? Di ako bumalik agad. Pali yung ano.
Oh my god, JC, this is not you. What's happening?
Ako yung hindi bumalik.
Oh, Rina.
Oh, Rina.
Deserve.
I'm dead.
That's
Ako
fine.
yung binalikan. Ako yung binalikan.
JC, are you okay, JC?
Not you, JCE.
This is not your
JC.
usual
Pa-7-3
JC.
siya.
Who are you? Are you from different dimensions?
Bring
try
back
again.
RJC.
I'll try again.
Reyna,
Eh, inagaw ba
nag-Good
naman?
Morning ko, ha?
Inagaw mo kasi!
Sinampatayin si...
Nakisabay ka sa akin eh.
Okay,
That was
guys.
your
Good
fault.
luck.
Bakit ako na naman agro?
And Boss Cheese, ha?
Nice.
Ligtas na kita, ha?
Nice freeze. Grabe yun.
Siyempre, guild leader ko yan, eh.
Pang Dota yung galawan na yun, ah.
Guild leader ko yan, eh.
Patayin niya nga natin yung isa.
Dito sa amin, di napapatay yung aircon, eh.
Walang patayan dapat.
I'll stand. Full damage on the buff.
Buong Baguio, eh.
Focus on the archers. Link the archers. Silence now in the middle. Press
Nasa
F,
Baguio ka?
40. Press F,
Oh,
40.
boss.
Hindi ko pa rin na perfect yun. Mali yun. Ang pangit na pull na yun.
Pwede
GA
patayin si
again.
Rina after the raid.
Bawal.
Fine.
Babayaran niya
Stand
pa
up.
yung
Full
ko.
damage on the buff. Babalik ako agad. Okay. Silence now in the middle arena. Dodge
Oh, hindi
40.
ka pala balik agad. Iniwan mo siyang nag-iisa, eh.
Press F, 40. Gago. GA
What
again.
the fuck, bro?
Bro. I'll stand.
Chaotic talaga ng aba na to.
Panood.
Silence. For safety lang.
Ay, sige, wag na pala kung ano.
Your loots. Okay.
Never mind. Sorry.
Hindi ko pa rin na-perfect. Na-pull na.
Hindi kami tumatanggap ng sorry. 50 mil lang. Thank you.
Ayos. Wala nga
Okay,
eh.
okay, first sorry mo yun. So, ano lang, 20 mil
Ay,
yun.
ready.
What?
Ready AC. Let's go. Easy now.
Kakap pa tayo mamaya,
Okay.
diba?
I'll stand
Ah,
full damage
Siguro,
and debuff.
magkakapa ako.
Sorry. Sino nag-stop?
Warriors, guys, yung warriors, please silence now in feeble.
Stop with this fucking device.
Si Z, nag-sorry din.
Press F party. Press F party. GA again.
What the fuck?
I'm
What the fuck,
stunning.
bruh? Kulang yung sa'yo, Z.
Bruh.
Ina.
Get your loots and let's run. Scout, are you behind first gate now?
Yes.
Okay. I mean, first gate pa yun? The third?
Second case.
Second gate, second.
Why so maalat? Every aberage.
Kaya di ka sumasali, Boss Asher.
Oo. Super maalat talaga.
Paano maalat?
Sabaw dito ah.
Yung balat ko maalat.
Silence now in table. Never mo, Asher.
Wala siyang loot na maganda. That's all.
GA again. Dodge party or sleep? Kill this
Uy,
one.
may-
Dodge.
May cleanse na si Alua.
Okay.
Kahapon pa.
DPS, once I tell you to stack west, stack west once GA drops, okay? I want everyone to stack west, all party. Pag talaga may nakita akong di nag-stack, di nakinig. Sprint with me, GA.
Babae. Yung i-drop talaga.
Okay.
Alam ko
Stack
yan,
party.
te.
I'm gonna stun, full damage and debuff. Stuck on the ground. Full west. Silence now, people. Press F if you see your life going down, Press F. Kasi nakastuck tayo, di nyo makikita, mahirapan kayo. GA again. I'll stun. Silence now. Great. Oh, no. GA again.
Kill issue.
Issue.
Oh my God.
Alam mo,
I'll
Gray.
stun, full damage and debuff. Silence. On the...
Lambot ko. Dalawa. Hampas lang ako.
Naka-ano ka, 8-3 ka eh.
I'll stun.
CC.
Patayin nyo na, guys. What the hell? Silence na. Silence na nga lang. Or GA. GA.
Mabubuhay ba ako dito pag nag-slash suicide ako?
Yo.
Oo.
Oh,
Stun.
sige nga. Try mo nga.
Try mo.
Ayoko nga.
40, hug south wall, hug south wall. Do not aggro the mobs in the middle, hug south wall.
Gising na ba si Moika?
Araw-araw ay Chia.
Yan talaga, para may pang waldas.
Hindi pa ako. May pangdal. Walang ginagawa. May pangwaldas. Option 1.
We'll
Ano yan?
stun full damage and debuff. Focus on the archers, guys. Silence now and feeble. Link the archers. Press F. GA again. I'll stun. Silence now. Away melee. Look at me. Kill it. Full debuffs on this guy. Oh, okay. Take your loot, so let's go. Everybody be on boss swaps. So we have 3 Guardian Helm. Kakasha na si Bray.
Kailan hall,
One
madam?
weekend.
Mag-wildfire ba? Hindi na.
Go elsewhere. Ano tawag dito? Yung isang chill Z, ikaw yung nagdala ng druid cowl, right?
Hindi,
It's
si
gray.
Graham po.
Okay. One of you go druid cowl. Off tank, one hand GA go Guardian Helm. GA Incubus, one hand Enigmatic. Okay, Rina. Enigmatic during choke, okay? Only during choke. During reflect, GA Incubus on the boss. Okay, party, we're gonna do the Guardian Helm bug. I want all of you to stack one name. Like, stack on your Guardian Helms, okay? Nobody move during the spinning swords. If in case na drop, if in case, JC, have you done this before? No, you haven't done, okay. You've done the Guardian Helm bug? No moving? Like, no moving all throughout the last boss. Have you done it before? Okay, 40, mag-i-English ako. Okay, mag-i-English na lang ako. 40,
Okay.
during the spin during the spinning swords, nobody move. Just trust your Guardian Helm. First Guardian Helm will be GA, second will be one hand, third will be off tank.
Hindi ba
Yes?
mag-hood up tenacity?
That's gonna be during what I'm talking about is during the second phase. Tama na. During the first phase, exacto kasi yung first phase. So it's gonna be just GA in one hand. Hindi kayo kukulangin sa sa cooldowns ng Guardian Helm during the first phase. So Tay, after you do the HP cut, tumakbo ka sa labas, change to Guardian Helm. Okay? I think you're gonna make it until third Guardian Helm. You can pop in the third Guardian Helm. Copy? Okay. Party, once Guardian Helm has been popped during the spinning swords, do not move. Okay? Because once Guardian Helm has been popped and you move, you're gonna deal damage. Okay? Even if you're in the spinning swords, you're standing on the swords. Once the Guardian Helm has been popped, do not move because you will not deal damage, okay? You will not get damage from the spinning swords. Even if you're in the swords, you're standing on the swords. Just do not dodge it. Just wait and trust your Guardian Helms. Gets? Okay, I need all of you to be in maximum range. Ano mag-Guardian Helm sa sarili ko?
So, sama ko sa stock nila, Lin?
Oo, lahat. Nobody, all parties gonna stack together. Walang lalabas. Okay? I need my party healers to rotate your jacket and rotate your druid cowl together with the DPS. Sino yung, Graham? Rotate
Yes.
druid cowl with, with Shizu.
Okay.
Ay, teka, naka-guardian. Rotate druid cowl with support pala, with Aloha.
No
As well as your
problems.
jacket. Okay?
At pwede ako mag-spectre na lang for CD. Mas mabilis.
Ano ka nga? No, I need your jacket.
Yeah, I mean, I changed my hood with Spectre hood. So
Ano
I
ka
can
nga?
up my royal jacket twice.
Iron Hood.
No, we need druid cowl. Are you on
Okay.
druid cowl, Alva?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah, be on druid cowl. I need you on druid cowl. Okay.
Oh,
Tayo,
JC is
one.
on Druid too.
Oh, that's good. Oh, okay.
Eh, mag-ano na lang ako. Spectre na lang ako since dalawa naman yung druid.
Sige. Tayo, once you pop the HP cut, just run out and go outside. Change your boots to dodge roll and change your helm to Guardian helm. Okay? For safety of the party, once the spinning swords is on you, party healer drop E. Okay? Rotate your E as well. Kayo na bahala. I mean, malalaki na kayo. Alam niyo na yung rotation niyo.
Matanda na kayo, guys.
Okay, party. Max range always, okay? So that the slam
JC, you
sword
should try Jin
get
Cobra.
there. Nasaan ba yun? I'm gonna start the boss now. Okay. Small damage party, max range. Oh shit! Wag muna, teka. I'm not on sacred ground. Teka. Ay, mean silence. Hindi ako nakaano. Bobo. Hindi naman ako.
Ano daw yung sa Kwan Madam tinatanong ni Rina? Arcane.
Arcane. One hand ka, di ba? Be an enigmatic. Enigmatic the party during choke. During reflect, Incubus and the boss, GA. Rina, do not forget to enigmatic HP cut, okay, pag pumasok na siya. So party, what's gonna happen is after HP cut, there will be no enigmatic, so party healer sustain the party. Just continue stacking, sustain the party since there will be no enigmatic after the HP cut. Gets? I'm gonna start now. Max range party, small damage first. Big damage now. Full damage party. Stack, stack, stack more, stack more. Max range.
Forget my poison.
Remember, do not move during spinning swords, okay? Just stack with your guardians. Guardian helms. Atras pag brag. Long range yan. Kinakabahan ako. Baka papunta sa'yo yung slam. Mas dahil kay Breg. Party wipe talaga to. Ash, umaabot pa yung incubus mo? Bakit nade-deal? Supposedly it's not gonna deal damage.
Nasa may labas siya ng ano, ng
Yun nga,
sword.
supposedly
Kaya,
it's not gonna deal damage.
I mean, hindi ba siya inabutan ng ano, yung helm.
Ay, gagi. Ash, umaabot pa yung incubus mo? Ang malayo masyado. Ready HP cut? Owen? Enigmatic on HP cut? Nice one. Holy!
Uy, hindi
Yeah,
na
okay.
press.
Hindi
mo
siya
na-press.
70, maaga. Na-press na niya.
Sige lang, it's fine. Palit ka ng ano tayo, change to
Okay.
Guardian Helm. It's fine. Bonding.
Family time.
No, I
Family
remember
time.
the last time. I remember the last time, bro. Stop
At
it.
least ngayon hindi ano, at least ngayon hindi party wipe, so it's fine.
No, no.
Okay. Okay, kwentuhan muna tayo, guys.
Sige, Z.
So,
Umpisa mo na si. Drop
Sige
your
na, Z.
story. Drop
Z,
your
nanood
story.
kami ng ano, Malyari.
Yes?
Maganda
Eh
yun.
na,
Maganda
wala,
yun.
Rina,
di namin tinapos. Natakot ako masyado.
Why? It's
Wait,
so
no,
good.
why? Si
Dude,
Rina alam yan.
all throughout the
Si Rina
movie,
alam yan.
si Yearning lang yung nanood sa mga ano. It's like, if pinatuloy namin yun, half of the movie, di ko mapapanood.
Sa...
Enigmatic
Madam,
si Boss
you're
Bregs.
missing. Uy, enigmatic. Patay si Regma.
I'm dead.
Oo,
Sepak.
Oh my, revive.
It's fine. Relax.
Madam, you're missing out. Horror
Lagi may
stimulates
bad.
our...
Ah,
Yan.
papanoorin namin.
Sorry, naantok na ako.
Papanoorin natin.
No,
Okay
madam,
lang yan.
right now, we're going to watch actually. We're going to
Rina,
watch
di ba
the
mas masayang mag-abari dito sa amin, nagkukwentuhan kami, di ba?
Diba, Rina? We're
Bonding
going to
time
watch
sa last, boss.
Autopsy
Reyna,
of Jane
pwede
Doe.
ka na igank, diba? Sa dis, kasama ko, igagang ka namin.
Gang mo, wala akong pakialam.
Yes. Oh, yes.
Oh.
Narinig niyo, ha? Wala.
Di naman kayo pupunta sa lim eh, di ba, Rina?
No, ako? Tagalimers ako nagagang.
Enigmatic on the party?
Naka-Z.
Lahat ng kill ko limers eh.
Oh my god, di na ako nagka-count ng silence, sorry. My bad. Silence on cooldown ang ginagawa ko.
Ay!
Mamatay na pala ako.
Patay si Boss
Bakit
Asher.
di kayo nakastack nun na nakita ko? Masyadong hiwalay. Party, stack more, please.
Walang enigmatic sa on, reflect.
Wala, just sustain party. Incubus and the boss.
Huwag na magkwentuhan. Nakaka-distract.
May namamatay eh. Never mind.
No, pero try nyo, madam. Papanorin pa namin.
Enigmatic on the party, enigmatic. Oh no, si Rina yung
Si Rina.
Si Rina.
Palit na lang.
Sabi ni...
Wala naman HP cut eh.
Sabi ni Zilo, ayoko na may pagkwentuhan. Pero, madam, try mo yung
Try nyo lang yung recommended kasi sa akin yun eh. Yung Autopsy of Jane Doe.
Maganda
I
rin
saw that
yan.
already. I don't like it. No.
Why? Finish it.
No, tangina
Too
yun.
cool.
Bakit mo inumpisahan kung di
Di,
mo
alam mo ano nangyari,
tatapusin?
Di?
No, ma'am. No,
Resume
madam.
me,
No.
Oh my
Don't,
God.
don't
Ano
spoil
nangyari?
for me.
Bakit di ako nahil? Party ako.
Ooh, rest on me. Alawa.
Stabilize. It's fine. Bakit? Ano nangyari?
Enig on me? Oh my god.
Okay, stabilize.
No,
Party,
Enig.
stabilize. As long as I have party healers, slowly revive party. Okay, party, sino ba yung patay?
Si Alo.
Okay, so kompleto yung Guardian Helm natin. So it's fine. Oh my god, beam on me.
Ay, sorry. Tama ba yung na-beam ko?
Mali.
Hindi. No, I guess it was my wrong. Okay.
Wait. Rest it.
No.
A second.
I don't think I can still get aggro of it.
You can.
Hindi ako naka-dodge roll.
My bad. Was just...
Fine. Try to stabilize mo na.
Dead, Bregma.
Don't hit during reflect. Guys, dodge the spinning swords for now. It's fine. I need all parties to be, kompleto na yung Guardian Helm. Okay, party, stack together for Guardian Helm during, spinning swords. Stack together. Okay, malas yung kwentuhan natin, Z. Huwag na lang, Z. Ayaw ka na.
Yeah, let's stop it.
Yun na.
Ako enigmatic.
Sige.
Enigmatic.
Enigmatic.
Enigmatic. Thank you.
Ako kaluwa.
Grade
Insane
nagsabi
party
niyan.
for reflect.
Enigmatic. A yearning.
Let him die.
Ano? Let him die. Grabe ka, madam.
Don't let anyone die, gago, during choke. What do you mean?
Grabe.
What the?
Patay si JC.
Nakailan
See,
na si
pinatay niya
JC.
si JC.
JC
How much repair, JC?
1 mil.
10
10M.
Bro, it's only 500k.
JC, this is not you. Are you sleepy? Patay ako.
Patay si Z.
This is
This is
karma. This is
Z.
karma.
This is not you.
This is not you. See, this is... Sorry. I'm bad. Yung ano ko. I'm not focusing. Okay. I'm silencing on cooldown. Sorry.
What? Your half body is not asleep. Still standing. ZZ. Patay. Gagi.
Z, problema mo Z. Pag-usapan natin mamaya Z. Sige lang Z.
You can really hear the frustration.
Mana.
3 seconds.
JC, can you drop your mana? JC, spam your B.
Enigmatic.
Putang ina ko yan.
Oh no. Max range party. What the heck?
Revive me.
Revive
Yun
me,
yung
Jet.
mangyayari if may lumapit.
Alawa.
Okay, slowly revive party healers. That's what I'm talking about. Max range party. Maintain max range. Brag, if mag-heal ka, wag mo timingin sa sa swords.
Akala nito.
If you're gonna...
Wait, reconnecting.
The fuck? Party
Nag-out
healers
na
down.
ako.
All party healers down.
All healers down.
All healers down.
Okay. Let's go!
Family bonding.
Grabe yung bonding na to What happened,
Sorry.
party? Ano nangyari doon, Breg?
Na-timing ko yung W ko sa ano.
Ah,
Pag niya, pag si Fire Sword.
sige lang. So, I'm worth... Are you guys reviving? Okay. Okay. No, Berg, if you're gonna do that, just try to sidestep na lang para di madami. Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina, kinakabahan ako sa sa heals mo kasi harap ka sa party.
Kaya mo side na lang siya, kagaya ng ginawa natin last time.
Pwede naman. He's just gonna, tatawagin ko siya for Guardian Helm. Pwede naman. Sige. Breg, hiwalay ka na lang sa kanila. But, yun nga, mahati yung ng party. Doable naman siya eh. Ano lang talaga.
Sige lang, yun lang. Tama na yun. Maling lang yun. Maling W lang. Hindi ko na bilang kasi.
It's fine. Sige. Party, I'm gonna start the boss again. I only have 7 poisons. Ay, ito pala.
JC, 60%. Oh, JC, I'm on 50, bro. Don't worry.
JC. Remember you're the one who asked for soup? Suck it up, bruh. Let's go. You can do this, JC.
JC, you asked for soup? My God. Yun,
Wait lang. I
Agro.
need to change my skills.
Take pa na second. Ano yun? Party, stack closer. Party, stack closer.
Kagi, ang lapit na.
Maatras,
Malapit
maatras.
na dam.
Sorry. It's fine, 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 fine. Sustain me, sustain me, sustain me, sustain me, sustain
Patay.
Revive on me.
Kagi, kagi, no.
Revive on me.
Ba't nag-calming?
na-reset na.
Okay. Let's do this again. Bonding,
Lumapit.
people.
Inukyo ko na kanina, di makyo.
Sige lang. Again. Let's do this again. Leash the boss. Leash the boss. Bakit di ako nahi-heal? Why am I not healing? Wait lang. Okay, there we go. There we go. Sarap ng repairs ko nito. Okay, let's go, party. I'm gonna start the boss. Stack. Okay? Do not damage don't enemy. Small damage first. Small damage first. Small damage. Has Qs, Ws. Okay? Okay, big damage now. Tay, this is gonna be your redemption sa HP cut. Takbo ka sa labas, Tay. Change to HP cut. I forgot to tell you. Change to HP cut now. Swap muna.
Nagpalit na ako.
Nagpalit ka na. Okay, laban.
Boy
Let's
Scout si
go.
Boss Chisu.
Yung helm and boots, ah. Both helm and boots. Kung si Alwa pa yung nagkamali, binobo ko na yun. Sayang.
Diba? Ako pa nasisi. Wala nang ginagawa. May galit.
Napasa.
Sabi ko sa inyo, may
Napasayang.
galit.
Oh my God, sorry.
May galit
Sorry.
na lumalabas yung tunay.
Yes.
Ale, guys. Joke lang.
Emergency. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna focus.
Buti na lang hindi nangyari sa akin yan. Okay lang.
Gago. Di ka naman, main heal ka ba nun?
Oo.
Support ka nun eh.
Inhale ako, no?
Main heal ka ba nun?
Hindi, tumama sa akin, okay? I think yun sa small mob yun eh. Kasi ginamit ko kay... Sa
Guardian.
Kay Kalista yung ano.
Yung helm mo.
Pero hindi sa boss.
Gising.
Hey, wake up.
Ang reconnecting to.
Wake up.
Oh.
Slash.
Grabe, sige.
Nagbibilang yan.
Mag-RL na to.
Kaya nga.
Mag-RL na to.
Pabayad yan, 500k.
Kaya mura. Uy, mura na nga yung 500k.
Mumurahin ko rin si Z pag gano'n.
Yeah, 1.5 na kaya ang bayad ng
Lugi
raid.
na nga ako ngayon eh.
Slash. Isa pa sa splash.
Hindi mo mabibilang na maayos yan, Z, kasi nagsa-silence ako. So, even, supposedly, pag nag-silence ako, HP cut now.
Yun, HP cut.
Enigmatic on HP cut.
70%. 70%.
No.
Okay. That's good.
Thank you, Tay.
Enigmatic.
Just
Party.
sustain party, no?
Rina.
Enigmatic, sustain.
Rina.
Sustain, Rina.
Yeah. I got that.
Oh, you live total
Okay.
You live another day, huh?
You
Dapat
live
pala
to
hindi ko,
talan.
dapat pala hindi ko sinustain, no?
Swap na Guardian Hound, Tay.
Reflect.
Oh my gosh, yes. Ano ko? Okay, never mind.
Huh?
Sige lang. Heals on me, Breg. Heals on me. Nabeat mo ko. Fine, it's fine. Oh, God.
Uy, na-damage.
Iba ba kita, Gray? Ano, ilan na ba durability mo?
Enig.
45%.
Stabilize party. It's gonna be swords. Spinning swords. Okay.
45 ka na, Gray.
It's gonna be reflect.
First
Sustain
time.
party. Sustain
Lagi
party.
naka-A3 ka pa. Kaya mo ba sustain yung ano mo? Refer mo?
Yeah.
It's gonna be spinning swords. Ay, tangina,
Ang kidney lang naman yun eh.
Bakit yun? Na-ignore yung ano? Yung barrel ng knight.
Flash.
Enigmatic.
Siya ulit.
It's Rina again.
no.
Patay si Rina.
Razon Rina.
Kaya, okay.
Flash.
Dapat
2
kasi
seconds,
ako
JC.
nakadulot ka lang.
Ano ko naman. Si Rina ulit.
Damn it! Sustain ang Rina. Ang main heal
Crush.
pag si Rina yung naka-enigma, walang ano, na-choke, just Qs on Ws and with her. Okay, Qs W sa kanya. I'll be fine during
Yung ginagawa ko.
Okay. Since walang
Rina.
walang enig eh.
Crush ka nung boss.
Reflex, sustain party.
Don't.
Aw. Muntik ka no.
Tigilan nyo na. Hindi kaya.
Patay ako.
Guardian.
Revive on my main heal. Sustain me.
I'm healed dead.
Enigmatic on me. Fine, it's fine.
Palo na.
Okay.
My bad.
Guardian.
My bad. Sorry.
No.
Stop, JC.
Okay, guys. Next, spinning swords. Dodge it, okay? Dodge it.
Guardian.
Until ma-stabilize yung Guardian House ng, one hand GAN off tank. Pag-usapan niyo. Oh my God.
Main heal dead ah.
Rina, can you... Okay. Dodge spinning swords for now, guys. Dodge spinning swords for now. Okay, so next na spinning swords, GA, Guardian Helm, one hand, and then off tank, okay?
Oh, Z. Grabe. Nag-NB.
Z! Z, ramdam ko Z na ano ka na Z.
Tatawa
Ba't
na
ka
ako.
nag-NB?
40 ka na lang, Zay. Zay. Just,
Z.
don't come out. Why? Ba't ka lumabas?
We're almost done, people. We're almost done.
Z, hindi to HCE, Z.
May sword.
Agra
May
daw,
sword.
pre. Agra daw. Kaya nag-win.
Kaya nag-NB ako. Akala niya na-agro niya eh.
Ginawang HCE, man.
Z. Z, ilang percent ka na Z?
Wait. Natatawa ako sa sarili ko. What the heck?
Paldo siguro to sa level 8, level 18.
No, to.
Namamatay na si Z.
Z, no. This is not you.
16k. Only 16k, guys.
Konti na lang Z, konti na lang.
Lagi
Heals on Z, heals on Z.
Hold down.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Sana
Enigmatic.
GC. Ganap lang person.
Okay, 4k,
Sana.
3k, 2k. Tapos na-wipe ng sword. Charot.
Okay, this is for your soup party. Let's go. Go get your soup. Malamig na yung sabaw. Dahil. Party, go southwest. After getting your soup, go southwest. Go southwest.
Papaluhin mo naman ako, Albion, no?
Okay, JC, you ready, JC? At least give us some. What? Ritual. Go, JC. Not bad, I think.
JC, what's this JC? Okay, what do you?
It's a blooper. Come on, I'm not fucking Jesus.
Yes,
Oh
it's a
my
vlog.
God.
Yes, I am.
JC, this is not you.
JC.
Okay, party, don't open yet. Wait for the others. Scout, you can slowly move in, Scout.
JC, this is not you,
what's
JC.
that?
JC,
This is not
wash your
you.
hands. Oh, not bad, I think.
So bad.
Yeah, not bad. Yeah, not bad. 800k this time.
I mean, it's fine.
JC, this is not you, okay?
Tulog mo
Redeem
na kasi.
yourself, brother.
Ay, yeah. Scout, you can
Yellow.
go and Scout. Sino yung yellow, guys?
Siyempre si Gray. Sino pa ba?
Oh, wala. Okay, I'm not... Sino pa other than Gray?
Na 45.
Sabaw.
Oh, pinapagalitan na si Rina. Careful, Rina. It's fine.
Sabaw.
Rina, magsalita ka, Rina, if may mangyari sa'yo sa labas, ha?
Oh, 1 week. Solid.
What do you mean? Ay,
Okay, in base then loot. Guys, go.
Kunin ko na ba? Wala na ba maglulot?
Gago si Z.
Wala na ba maglulot, guys?
Not.
Go. Go, Scout. Boy, Gray.
Nawala yung invis ko pala doon.
Wait lang, imbes lang okay. Nakuha na ako. Thank you.
2 mil are back. Rina, ayaw mo sumabay na lang? Oh my God. Sabay na lang pala. Scout, A out now. Sabayan mo si Rina. Ay, kumukuha ka pa?
Yeah, ako nasasabi sa kanya. Ako nasasabi ka, Rina. Let's go, Rina. Let me die first.
Di. I mean, hintayin nyo kami. It's fine.
Yes, sure. Okay. Go inside again, I guess.
Go
And
inside, go inside, go inside.
70. Oh, 45. Pares lang tayo Z-skill issue.
No, no, no.
Okay lang. Basta may kasama ako, okay lang.
Know why? Kung bakit ganyan. It's because ang lamig sa room ko. Tapos yung
Oh.
and masakit yung ulo ko for real.
Abunot mo nga, sabi ni Boss Asher.
Okay,
Alam mo ang ulo parang tiyan.
Pinapabunot.
Hindi.
Anong kunik?
Pag walang laman, masakit.
Yung mga panaisipan ni Boss Asher eh.
Wala, out, okay.
You're gonna out now? Okay, okay.
Oh, wait. Let me food up first.
Pahigit
Pahila
ko.
daw lang.
Okay, those below 50%, you don't have to pay me, okay?
No, I want to pay.
No, it's fine, it's fine. We can do another run tomorrow.
No, no.
Bumawi tayo.
Sayang, 65%.
JC, we're 60, dude. Let's die one more, JC. So we get JC. JC, come on. There's some guy here.
It's fine, Z, it's fine. Olo, Ziz, ano blackmailing me, oh?
Pahigit daw si
Hindi.
Rina. Pahila daw.
Hilahin mo si Rina, guys. Mag-cover.
Nice one, JC. Nice one.
Not Miss JC. Ay, oh my gosh.
Oh, fuck. May spider pa dito.
Ano na lang, guys. I think, okay. Let's
Pahila
not,
daw si Rina sa comms.
ha? Ano na lang,
Rina.
next time we do last